In this video today, I'm going to take you through beginner's guide tutorials on Lollipop Live Streaming App that make money online. I'm going to take you through the agency stuff. Most especially, I noticed that some people, after some days of joining the app, you are no longer seeing your tax. I'll take you through how to buy coins, how to level up, and how to make money on Lollipop live streaming platform. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrencies. You are welcome to the practical aspect of this video. So if you are new, Lollipop is a live streaming platform that we use to earn money on the internet. So in the description of this video, I will drop a link to sign up, but you can also watch this video where I practically show you how to sign up as well as how to do your tax. So the reason why a lot of people are not seeing their tax after some days, most especially 6 to 7 days of joining the app, is because you have not joined agency. So if you join the app newly, you can decide not to join any agency, but after 6 to 7 days of being on the app, you need to join agency. If you have not joined agency, you will not see your tax. So how do you join agency? You can just click on join agency on your home page like this one. So you will now click on, you will see enter agency. So my own agency ID is 100062, and then you click on join, and that is all. So once you join an agency, you will start seeing your tax. So then how do you now buy coins? So all you need to do is to click on this offline coin seller. So as you click on offline coin seller, you are going to see the options of offline coin sellers that are right here, verified by the app. So you will now click on the one you want. So if you just click, like me now, if it is this sweet girl, if I click on her, send her message, so you can now just send the person, hi, I want to buy coins, and the person will give you their WhatsApp number. So you will now DM them on WhatsApp so that they can give you their coin price list, and you make payments and confirm. So that is how to buy coins on the platform. So how do you now level up to do exchange? Once you have coins, like right now, as you can see, within 3 days I've made $20 on the app. In my next video, I'm going to practically show you how to withdraw, because is when I withdraw, then I will now show you how I withdraw mine. So right here, if you already have your coins, how then do you do exchange to level up? You are going to join a live stream, or you can simply just start your own live stream, make an announcement, or you can make an announcement like right here. I'm on my own, I just open. If I go live now, I can make an announcement, or you can just join any live stream. Or the best option, that for me, what I did was the coin seller, I told her that I want to do exchange. She said, come to my panel. So most of the coin sellers, they are doing exchange there. So that's the best option. So once you do the exchange, you level up. So how do you do the exchange? So once you join, let me just start a live. You are going to see the same option that you see when you are live streaming. All you need to do is to click on your gift icon right here. Okay, when you click on gift icon, you can now select hot. When you select hot, you select the person you want to exchange to, and then you click on the amount of coins you want to send, and then you click on send. So that is just how to do exchange on the Lollipop platform. Then the next is, how do you make money on the platform? Because I know that is what is going on in some of you, some of your mind. How am I able to make $20 in less than 3 days? It's not even up to complete 3 days right now that I've joined the app. So the first way that I earn is by invite. So as I find out about the app, I share my referral link. As I talk about it, people started using my referral link to join the app. Then the second way that I make money on the platform is, the moment I sign up, I bought coins. I bought coins of 3,700, and I started playing games. So I've learned a little, but I cannot start teaching you right now. I want to learn more. So when I learn more and crack some code, I can now come and create a video sharing with you how to play games. But I have started earning with the games on the platform. The third way that I'm making this amount of money in less than 3 days is because I also become an agent. So in another separate video, I'm going to show you the requirements and the process of becoming an agent. So if you are interested in becoming an agent, you can comment how to become agent on Lollipop in the comment section. So when I get up to 5 or 10 persons that are interested in becoming an agent, then I'll create video about that. Then another way you can make money on the platform, but I've not done that, is you can become also a coin seller. I decided not to become a coin seller because I discover whenever I am selling coins, people like impersonate me, sending people message that verification this, pay money that for coins. So for now, that is not an option for me. But for those that want to learn how to become coin seller, you can also ask me in the comment section so that I will show you. But if you have been selling coins on other platform, I believe it's not something hard because I've gone through it. But of course, for you to become a coin seller, you have to become an agent on the platform. So pretty much that is the guide that I have for you for now. As the app is new, a lot of things are still unfolding, and then I'm going to do a video on that. So the next video is going to be on how to withdraw, the option we have, and the another video I'm going to do is how to play a game, and another video I'm going to do is how to become an agent. Depend on your request in the comment section. So I want to also say thank you to everyone that commented in my previous videos about wanting to know the latest live streaming platform. So I've also created that video. Once I finish editing it, it's going to go live. And for those that are interested in learning cryptocurrency, I've done the video, is already live. You can watch it. I will drop it in the description of this video, or if you cannot find the description, just ask in the comment section that you need the video, the beginner's guide tutorial on trading with cryptocurrency, and I will give you the link. So thank you so much. I just kind of love the way you are engaging. I thank you for loving me. Thank you for watching till the end. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Like when I saw my last week engagement on this channel, I was very, very emotional. Thank you. I appreciate you all from the depth of my heart. Until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.